Hello everyone, what is going on today? I hope you guys all had a great weekend, and today I want to show you guys how I set up my Webull account and my layout so that you guys can trade options in the fastest and easiest way that I've been able to figure out. So let's get right into it. The first thing that I want you guys to notice is that I do have two charts right here, and I have bigger time frames on the right side and smaller time frames on the left side. This is just to scout out my entry points, my take profits, and all of that. And over here, I tend to look at just the bigger time frames, which is like to look for supply and demand zones and all of that stuff, just bigger trends, I guess. Um, so in the middle, we have the order book, and this is just to look at the bid and the ask volume that's coming in. And we have right here the options chain. Right here, this is the cool part about having this layout, is that, for example, like if I'm looking at SPY, for example, like everything will change together, right? So as you can tell, there's this is SPY right here, SPY, even over here, down here, SPY. Now let's say you want to look at I don't know, go back to Apple or Microsoft. Basically, you can get everything right away, right? So it'll be easy for you to be jumping back and forth between tabs if you're looking at different stocks. All of the ones that you see, the little ones on the little top right corner, even these right here, except for these right here. So the thing that I like doing, for example, if I want to place a trade, is that I'll go, let's say I want to place a put here in Apple, right? We'll go through that, I don't know, just random one. And I'm going to send it over to group one. The one that I have right here. Why? Because these two right here, these are my active trade and ladder. This is where I place my trades, right? So this is not going to be basically linked up with these two. Why? Because if you need to be looking at specific contracts that you want to trade, right? So if I look into SPY and I want to trade something, like it's not automatically gonna choose whatever you want. You have to go into it and see which one you want to trade, and then you move it over here, right? And then you place the trade. I think this is the best way that I've been able to trade. So basically what I would have here on the right side is the active trade and the ladder, right? So for the active trade, it's easier for me to just buy and sell market. I don't really use the buy the bid or the sell the ask, just because sometimes the fills don't get filled. I mean, the orders don't get filled. So it'll just kind of just keep on going or whatever and lose that entry. So here is for me to just be able to buy and sell real quick if I need to. If I'm looking at the ladder, then I can start looking at a little bit of the volume where the contracts are getting bought at the most. So the ladder is pretty cool because you can use the stop loss and the take profit whenever you want to start placing trades. So let's say that you want to place I don't know, see you're going ballsy and buying 100 contracts, and you're putting a 20% stop loss. And let's say you want to place a take profit. I don't know, if your thing is 1 to 2 or a 2 to 1 risk to reward ratio, you put it right there and you see where it goes, right? Let's say you want to buy right here. You will end up, and it tells you right there, which is pretty cool, that your sell stop was going to be at 1,900, and then your take profit is going to be about 3,800. So you're able to see a little bit of what your risk to reward ratio is if you do have these orders set. Sometimes it's not the best to be using those. I would like to say a stop loss is pretty good, but a take profit, I really never use it personally. I just take profits along the way. So if I'm in a trade and the stock is moving my way, I'll typically just grab, and you'll see the order here. I can't really show you because it's not on, right? But you'll see the order, and you just kind of like drag it, and you can start dragging it upwards, and just move it up as the stock goes, right? So you're just moving basically your stop loss to either break even or take profits already or whatever, right? In this screen, I do have the active trade, the ladder. I have on the right side also just the quotes. So basically, if I want to look at the whatever price it's at a little easier, it'll be just right there. I don't really use the news, but I have it there just in case, every once in a while scroll through it. So on the right side, I have my positions and also my watch list. And this is just simple enough so you can scroll to the right and look at what the market's doing in the moment, see what your top movers are at in the moment, and just kind of, for example, if you want to look at, let's say, Riot, I do have this one linked up as well with all of these. So in case you want to just get a quick look of whatever's going on, you just press these and it'll move you straight into the contracts, straight into the charts and all of that good stuff. And my positions is just to keep track of whatever I'm holding in the moment. And the biggest thing for me is having it somewhere where I'm not really looking at it, because it is important for me to just focus on the chart and not also be looking at the percentage gain or the loss or whatever is going on over here with the numbers. So I have my options chain right here, and as simple as just clicking these buttons, you can change your contracts and buy and sell right away. To change your charts and your contracts, all you gotta do is just look it up, or you go to the right and then you just choose whichever one you want, and then you go and look for the contract you want to trade, right? So it is very simple. Now I really want to show you guys how to set this up, because I know that a lot of people are going to be questioning this. So right now we're at the custom layout. You're going to choose blank layout, and we're going to start building these right away, right? So the first thing we want to set is the charts. So we want to do 2 charts, and we want to divide this in between so that we can have as well our order book. So so we're gonna look for the active trade on the right side, and we're gonna look for the ladder. So you got the price ladder on the right, you got your, okay, let me remove this and fix it up a little bit. So this one, I want to make it smaller. Right, so we'll remove the order confirmation, and we'll make this slightly smaller just so we can put the quotes. Oh god. Let me remove this one. So we'll fix this one up a little bit so we can have it all set up nice and well. And add widget. And we're gonna go and look for the quotes. So we'll keep the quotes here in this corner so that we can keep track of whatever is going on. And the price wise, just you can see it right here. I like to have it there just in case you can't really see the actual price at the moment, like from far away. Right now we have so far 2 charts, the order book, we got the quotes, we got the ladder, and the active trade, right? So now we want to put the options contracts or the options chain. So we'll go right here. Let's fix this. Oh, what you doing? Hey man, what you doing? I don't know what it was doing there. So we'll set this right here. Alright, so once we have this set up, we're gonna do the other ones that are to the right. So we'll do a watch list, and we'll set this right here on the right. Oh no. And then we'll scroll to this. Now have it somewhere here, and this we will expand it, and we want to do our positions right here. So we'll set this right there, we'll adjust it to the size, and so far we're good, right? So now we gotta link all of these up so that everything is set the way that you want it to be set, so everything works perfectly. So now we're gonna start by this, right? So you want to go into the group inside layouts, and you want to combine all the ones that you want together. You want all of these right here together, right? So you set up group 1. So all of these right here are already good. So if you want to choose a different stock, all of these come together. This one's still not moving, so we're gonna add this one as well. Now remember, these we leave them separated, and this one. So now if you choose any of these, it'll go directly to the other ones. And these we will set on the group cross layouts, right? So we'll do it over here, and you can set them anywhere, just easier, whatever is easier for you, but it's personal preference. And that should be it, man. I also want to show you real quick the day trade shares layout that I have. It's a little bit of a different layout, just kind of similar though. You got your ladder right here, you got your active order entry. So basically you can buy and sell market, stop, your stop limit, all of this stuff right here right away. You can buy as well as the other one. You can set your stop price, your take profit right here, and just buy as soon as you press this. It'll tell you and show you the P&L and determine on how many shares you're buying or whatever. You got your order book on the top, and you could expand this depending on your preference, but just having it there kind of gives me a good understanding. You got your quotes, and then on the right side you do have the same, so positions in your watch list. You know, I hope you guys found this to be valuable information. I hope you guys actually found this layout to be helpful for your trading, and I wish you guys nothing but the best. I want you guys to trade safe, to manage your risk, and keep growing, keep showing up, and don't ever give up, right? So that should be it for today. Hope everyone enjoyed the video. If you guys like any more, have any more questions, or have any suggestions or anything that works for you that I could add on to my setup layout, just let me know in the comments. And well, happy trading for everyone, and happy 4th of July to everyone as well. Hope you guys have a safe and fun day, and pop as many fireworks as you can. We'll see you guys on the next one.